Unraveling the phrase, get to sleep. Hello, language explorers. Today we're going to dive into a common English phrase that often puzzles learners, get to sleep. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and some handy examples. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a native speaker. Get to sleep can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It often refers to the process of falling asleep. For example, if someone says, "I can't get to sleep," they're expressing difficulty in transitioning from being awake to sleeping. This phrase can also imply an opportunity or permission to sleep. If a parent says to a child, "You can get to sleep after you finish your homework," it means that sleep is allowed once the condition, finishing homework, is met. Sometimes, get to sleep expresses a need or strong desire to rest. Saying, "I need to get to sleep early tonight," shows a personal intention to sleep, possibly due to tiredness or the need to wake up early. In idiomatic English, get to sleep can also mean to start sleeping regularly or to return to a normal sleep schedule. It's often used by people who have been having trouble sleeping and want to establish a routine. Get to sleep is a versatile phrase that is widely used in everyday English. It's all about context and intonation. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you, and you feel confident using it in your daily conversations. Sleep tight, and don't let the language bugs bite.